A world without ears, how do snakes hear? Snakes are extraordinary creatures. They slither through grass, they climb trees. They move with such grace and agility, it's almost mesmerizing to watch. They even swim in water. Their ability to navigate different terrains is truly remarkable, but did you know snakes have no ears? It's true, unlike many other animals, they lack external ear structures. Snakes don't have the outer ears like we do. They don't have ear openings on the sides of their heads. They can't hear a bird singing. The melodious tunes of birds are lost to them, but they can still sense sounds. They have adapted in fascinating ways to perceive their environment. Snakes have a unique way of hearing. They rely on their ability to detect vibrations. They feel vibrations in the ground. This is how they hear the world around them. Imagine a heavy truck rumbling down the road. The vibrations it creates can be felt from a distance. You can feel the ground shake, can't you? That's a similar sensation to what snakes experience. That's how snakes hear. They are incredibly sensitive to these vibrations. Snakes have special bones in their heads. These bones are crucial for their survival. These bones help them to feel even tiny vibrations. They act like a built-in sensor system. This is very useful for snakes. They can find food, they can avoid danger, they can detect predators and prey with ease. They can even find a mate. Their ability to sense vibrations plays a key role in their social interactions. In the next section, we will learn more about these special bones and how they work. Stay tuned to discover the intricate details of snake anatomy. Feeling the vibrations, the magic of the quadrate bone. Snakes have a special bone called the quadrate bone. It's located in their lower jaw, a crucial part of their anatomy. This bone is loosely attached to the skull, allowing for flexibility. This unique attachment allows it to vibrate freely. When the ground vibrates, the snake's jawbone vibrates too, acting like a natural sensor. The quadrate bone is connected to the inner ear of the snake, forming a direct link. The inner ear has tiny hair cells which are incredibly sensitive. These hair cells are very sensitive to vibrations, picking up even the slightest movements. They send signals to the snake's brain, which then processes the information. The brain then interprets these signals as sound, helping the snake understand its surroundings. This system is very effective, allowing snakes to be highly aware of their environment. Snakes can detect vibrations from a long distance away, making them excellent hunters. The bigger the snake, the better it can hear, thanks to its larger jawbone. This is because larger snakes have bigger jawbones, which can pick up more vibrations. Bigger jawbones pick up more vibrations, enhancing their sensory capabilities. But snakes don't only feel vibrations in the ground, they can also sense vibrations in the air. They can also sense vibrations in the air, using their tongues to gather information. We will explore this further in the next section, delving deeper into the fascinating world of snake senses. Sensing the world, ground and air vibrations. Snakes have a unique way of perceiving their surroundings. Snakes are most sensitive to low-frequency sounds, which they can detect through their bodies. These are the sounds that travel best through the ground, like the vibrations caused by footsteps. This makes sense, right? They need to hear the footsteps of their prey to hunt effectively. They also need to feel the movements of a predator nearby to avoid danger. But snakes can also pick up some sounds in the air, though these are usually very close sounds. For example, a snake might feel the air vibrate when a bird flaps its wings nearby, alerting them to potential threats or opportunities. They can even sense the movement of air as a threat approaches, giving them a chance to react. This ability to detect air vibrations is crucial for their survival in the wild. Some snakes, like pythons and boas, have special heat-sensing pits on their faces, which add another layer to their sensory capabilities. These pits help them to see heat, allowing them to detect warm-blooded animals even in complete darkness. This is very useful for hunting in the dark, where visual cues are limited. They can find warm-blooded prey even when they can't see them, making them efficient nocturnal hunters. Snakes use a combination of senses to navigate their world, relying on vibrations, heat, and other cues. They might not hear like we do, but their unique adaptations make them highly effective in their environments. Snakes are perfectly adapted to their environment, using their specialized senses to survive and thrive. Myths and misconceptions. Separating fact from fiction. Many people believe that snakes are deaf. This is not true. Snakes can hear. They just hear differently than we do. Another myth is that snakes can hear music. This is also not true. They can't hear the high-pitched notes in music. They can only feel the low-frequency vibrations. Snakes are fascinating creatures. They have adapted to survive in a world without ears. Their ability to sense vibrations is crucial for their survival. It allows them to find food, avoid danger, and thrive in their environment.